An bhfuil Caitheamh Aimsire Agat.
Tá sé a 10 chlog maidin. Tá na páistí ag obair go dtíon. Ceacht Gaeilge atá ar siúl. Cuir ceist de chara, ursa an múntóir. Ama Caitheamh Aimsire Agat. Tá, is mallam a bheith ag damhsa. Ama Caitheamh Aimsire Agat?
Tá, is mallam a bheith gimmert amáníochta.
Anwa.
Ceistena. Ceist a héin. Cén tá mé. Ceist a dó. An bhfuil na páistí ag suagra. Ceist a trí. Cad atá ar siúl. Ceist a chathair. An bhfuil Caitheamh Aimsire ag rúbí. Ceist a cúig. An bhfuil Caitheamh Aimsire ag callam.
An bhfuil Caitheamh Aimsire Agat means, do you have a Caitheamh Aimsire? Do you have a hobby? So it starts off with Tá sé a 10 chlog maidin. It is 10 o'clock maidin in the morning. Tá na páistí, the children are ag obair go dtíon. They are working go dtíon, they're working hard. Ceacht Gaeilge atá ar siúl. Ceacht Gaeilge, the Irish lesson is going on. Atá ar siúl means going on. Cur ceist de cara. So cur ceist means put a question on your friend, said the teacher. So ask your friend, said the teacher. And what do they want? What does the teacher want them to ask? She wants them to ask, do they have a hobby? An bhfuil Caitheamh Aimsire Agat. Do you have a hobby? Tá, says Ruby. I do. Is má lum a bheith ag damhsa. I like a bheith ag damhsa, to be dancing. I like dancing. And then the next question, Lucy then asks Colm, An bhfuil Caitheamh Aimsire Agat. Do you have a hobby? Tá, I do. Is má lum a bheith ag immert amáníochta. I do. I like playing hurling, said Colm. And then the teacher in the corner then says, An wa, very good.